Hello everyone! Welcome to the PD Knob channel. Struggling to turn your scanned documents and notes into a PDF you can actually share? I will show you how to convert any note into a PDF on your iPhone in just a few seconds. Subscribe so you can easily find this video again whenever you need it. First, open the Notes app on your iPhone. Then, select the scanned document you want to convert. Tap the Share icon in the top right corner. Select View More. Then choose Print. Now tap the Share icon again in the top right corner. As you can see, the document is already a PDF. Then tap Save to Files. Choose a location that's easy to find. Then tap Save. Now go to the Files app, and you'll see your document is here, and it is saved as a PDF. That means you can easily share it on email, WhatsApp, or even upload it for work or school. And if you need to go one step further, like editing, annotating, or merging your PDF, you can use PD Knob PDF Editor. It lets you modify your scanned documents easily in just a few seconds without complicated steps. First, send the document to your computer. Then, open PD Knob. The free download link is below. Click Open PDF here. If your file isn't a PDF yet, use the Convert feature to turn it into a PDF first. Once your PDF is open, find the OCR function in the top bar. Click it. With OCR, PD Knob can even recognize tables and multi-page documents, making it perfect for work or study files. Then confirm by clicking Perform OCR again. Just wait a few seconds, and your scanned PDF becomes fully editable. Now you can see the difference. The text is no longer just an image, it's real editable content. You can click, select, and edit any part of the document like a normal Word file. That's it! Now you know how to quickly turn your note scans into a PDF, and even make them fully editable. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.